Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video, we are going to see dinner routine. For dinner, I have prepared chapati, chicken kebab and chicken fry. For this here, I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken and 500 grams of bone chicken. For kebab, here I have taken boneless chicken, adding 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can even add normal chili powder. Adding of egg gives a smooth texture to the kebab and required amount of salt. You can increase or decrease the spiciness according to your taste, and 1 medium size lemon. Two tablespoons of corn flour, 1 spoon of rice flour. Sieve it and just add it so there will be no lumps, and 2 tablespoons of besan flour and 4 spoons of all-purpose flour or maida flour. One spoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and transfer into another box and marinate it for about 20 minutes. In meanwhile, I am going to marinate for chicken fry. For chicken fry, I have taken bone chicken, adding 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. You can even replace with normal chili powder, and required amount of salt, and 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of garam masala. Add 3 spoons of curd. Here I am going to cook chicken fry without adding water. Mix it well and let it marinate it for about 15 minutes. In meanwhile, I am going to prepare dough for chapati. Take a required amount of dough, add salt and 2 spoons of oil. Mix it and knead into a soft dough. And let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. While I am going to chop onion for tomato curry and chicken fry. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once finished chopping, place a kadai on pan, and here I am going to prepare tomato curry. Add 2 spoons of oil. Add 1 spoon of cumin and 1 spoon of mustard. Allow it to splutter. Keep your flame on medium. Once cumin and mustard are splattered, add 1 spoon of chana dal. Sort it well. Add 2 sprigs of curry leeks and 5 to 6 pods of crushed garlic. Once garlic turns golden brown, add chopped onion. Add salt so that onion turns golden brown quickly. On the other side, I have kept a kadai for frying the kebab. Add required amount of oil for deep frying. Keep your flame on low. In the meanwhile, I am going to chop the tomato. Once oil is heated, add batch by batch chicken pieces. Keep your flame on medium. On the other hand, onions are turned golden brown. I am going to add chopped tomato. Cook until tomatoes become mashy consistency. Keep the flame on medium and cover it with a lid. The time required for the kebab to cook is 3 minutes on a medium flame and 2 minutes on a high flame, so that chicken will be soft and juicy inside and crispiest texture will be on outside. Here I have kept flame on high so the chicken turns crispy. I will show you. Once kebab turns golden red, I am going to add my second batch. Keep your flame on medium. Here, see the structure of the chicken. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Here my tomatoes are completely cooked into a mashy consistency. And I am going to add 2 spoons of normal red chilli powder. Mix it well and add required amount of salt needed for the gravy and mix it well. To balance the taste, here I am adding half a spoon of sugar. It's completely an optional step. If you don't want, you can skip this step. Mix it well and keep the flame on low and close with the lid. On the other side, I have kept the pressure cooker to cook the chicken fry. In meanwhile, the chickens are turned red. Here I am transferring into a bowl. Once chickens are cooked, transfer into a bowl, and here I am going to add my final batch, and the rest I am going to cook tomorrow, transferring into an airtight container and going to store in a fridge. And meanwhile, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil into a pressure cooker. Once oil is heated, add all the spice ingredients like cinnamon, bay leaf, fennel seeds and cardamom and cloves. Saute it for 5 minutes on a medium flame. On the other hand, my tomato curry is also ready. Now add chopped onion and saute it well. Once onion becomes transparent, add half chopped tomato. Saute it well. And now add the marinated chicken. I have just add only 2 spoons of water. Keep your flame on low and pressure it under for 3 whistles. And I am going to prepare now chapatis. To get your round shaped chapatis, roll the chapatis in the opposite direction. In another video I will post. I have to roll chapatis into a round shape. Cook always chapatis in a high flame so the chapatis turn smooth. If you cook on low flame, chapatis will turn into crispy. Within 5 to 6 minutes, our chicken will be cooked. On the other hand, I have finished preparing chapatis. Once pressure is released, add 2 to 3 spoons of chopped coriander or a handful of coriander. Mix it well. Here I completed finishing my dinner. Transfer into a serving bowl. And hot chapati, chicken fry and chicken kebab is ready. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy